So we're back again to discuss these niggas. So with today we're gonna talk about how to make him chase. Okay, so this is just such a crazy question that I get all the time. Everybody thinks it's this secret, and everybody's online like acting like, oh, it's this secret you gotta do to make the magic happen. And I'm gonna tell you guys straight up, it ain't no secret. Everybody lying to you. All you need to do is stop putting all your eggs in one basket and stop being a crackhead. For men, like, he took you on one date, sweetheart. One date. You don't need to be acting like y'all going to get married. Have some boundaries. Have some self-respect. Get some other options, okay? It needs to be a race. They need to be racing. Like, they need to put them mice in a maze to get to the win, okay? Get to the cheese. Like, that's how you do it. It ain't no secret. Stop being pressed. That's the secret. The secret is you not being pressed, okay? That's the big, magic, magic. Like, and anybody can do this. Literally, it does not matter what you look like, where you come from, or anything like that. Stop being a crackhead for men. And they want to chase you. Real easy. I know everybody online, all these male dating coaches talking about something. Oh yeah, then you gotta do this, and then you hypnotize him this way. Put this love spell on him. No, just stop being a crackhead. That's it. That's it. That's it, sis. That's the whole thing. Like, I mean, the thing is, why would he chase something if you already acting like you committed to him and in a relationship with him? This is exactly why in my videos, when I talk about do's and don'ts for a date and what to say on a date and everything like that, I always tell you, do not tell them that you're looking for a relationship, because they will interpret that as, in their little man pea brain, oh, she must think I'm the one for her, and she wants me to be her husband right away. She's so desperate, she don't have no other options. I'm the main one for her, and I ain't even do nothing yet. She's just so in love with me. That's what they're thinking, sis. And that's why they're not going to chase you if you tell them that and show up on a date acting like he's the one, and then leave the date still treating him like he's that one. No, you don't do that. Like... And that's exactly how you make them chase. Ain't no secret potion. Ain't no secret whatever they be trying to sell y'all all over here on YouTube and Instagram and everything. Stop being a crackhead for men. Let him do the work that he needs to do to prove to you that he's worth that opportunity of being exclusive with you. And then you decide on him then. There it is. So yeah, you can hit me up on Actual Black Mermaid on Instagram. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And you can hit me up on Twitter and like, share, and subscribe, and comment. And I will be getting back to all of you guys there. So I love you guys.